Especially with a narrow hallway.
That's what you gotta do, Newmar. Not a well thought out system. So we fixed it. Now you know. So, if anybody has these things, man, these things are lethal. Man, that they get you right, you know, just when you're coming and going. So what we're going to do, hopefully.
In your hand.
Huh?
In your hand. Get your hand when you're coming by.
Terry just said to get your hand when you go by too.
No, don't do it. Silly.
So what we're going to do.
And can I say something too? Plus, you see the space here, so you know it's a narrow hallway, but you got the space here, and because that thing sticks out so far, it doesn't let your door go all the way back, which is a problem. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah. What the heck's those things? Oh, I know. So we got Terry got on the internet and found something that's going to be low profile that we can use to. So we're hoping this is going to work. We'll let you know.
I have to supervise and make sure you're doing it properly.
No. Don't judge me on these tools. This is Terry's toolkit.
Hence the color.
Mine's underneath the rig.
Your typical basic doorknob.
I think
Whether
that's
or
too
not
big.
this one fits or not is to be determined.
We gotta use theirs. Oh, they gave us all these different lengths. That's good, isn't it? Depends on
It
how
sure
thick your
is.
door
Yeah,
is.
absolutely.
You gotta be joking. Come on, man.
No? Oh, you're gonna have to drill a hole out, aren't you? No go?
I'll have to drill a hole out. It's close. But, oh, that's the one that came out of it. What the heck? Okay, wait a minute, fits that. I mean, it is just a smidge off.
You get the file and file it out, huh? Now what you doing? Going and getting some better tools?
If it don't fit, get a bigger hammer. The thing is,
You gonna hold the door steady or what?
I don't know if that's the problem, but to be honest, I just don't know from a. Man, it's right there, ain't it?
Yeah, close. Almost.
Almost. I wonder if that is going to work, this sticking out like that.
Screws too long. No surprise there.
What the heck? Are you serious?
Oh. Oh man, gosh, look how far that one sticks out. That's perfect.
So this is what we traded out. And you can see as you're walking, if you're walking and ain't paying attention like me, I don't pay attention to what I'm doing. This thing, it kills your arm, man. But see here, not bad. Look, 100% better.
Yeah, especially with the
Newmar.
narrow hallway.
Here's what you gotta do, Newmar. As you can see, before and afters. Now you've got the little hoo-yaws here that open the door. Before, hold on. If you remember, before you had these big things sticking out. And, you know, you see how wide the hallway is? It's just not a well thought out system. So, we fixed it. Now you know. You'll see those striker plates were really long that came with these. What we ended up doing, I took these off and got my little Dremel tool and cut them off, filed them down so they're not sharp. So now those don't stick out as well. So
yeah, because I already cut my shoulder on them.
Terry cut her shoulder on it. But no, I took the Dremel, cut it a lot closer, you know, and then sanded it so it's not so sharp. One other thing we wanted to show you. Get this shot, babe. Magnetic door stopper. That way you can travel with the door open if you wanted to.
And we do.
See that?
Yep.
What?
And that's just on there with sticky stuff, right?
Yeah, it just stuck.
The adhesive back, yeah.
Has an adhesive back, just stuck right there.
So we got a little piece that sticks right in the floor.
And the part on the back of the door is adhesive.
That's right.
And it works perfect.
Boom.
Just killing it this week,
Yes.
man.